Genora AI app. So here is Genora AI app. So here is what you can see. Chatbot and search. So here's the app. Quite popular alternative to ChatGPT and Gemini and a lot of these other chatbots. You can see it's in top charts in productivity. Why? Because it offers quite a good deal actually, and it's a good quality. So you can get yearly access for $40 per year instead of paying $20 every month in ChatGPT. So here you have it. Then there is weekly access for $7. And what you're getting, so you already getting some free credits in here. Then yeah, so here you see if you want, you can upgrade again. But yeah, you're just getting all of these tools basically for free: translator, editor, writer, web search, translate, and also picture editor, soulmate, image generator, URL summary. Some of these are free, but yeah, that's kind of the idea. You can see, and then you see all the models in the chat. Smart mode dynamically selects the optimal model for speed and quality. So ChatGPT 5 Nano for free, and all of these models: ChatGPT 5, 5.2, 4.0, Gemini Flash, DeepSeek, Grok Fast, Claude Sonnet, they are all included in Pro plan. Yes, you need to pay, but you only need to pay $40 per year, not $20 per month. So that's a super good deal if you want to get access kind of to more newest and advanced models. So yeah, that's kind of the idea, but you don't want to overpay. If you pay for GPT 5.2 and for Gemini 3 Pro and all of this, and Grok 4.1 Fast, you will need to pay like $50 per month for all of these models. So that's kind of the idea. So yeah, that's what it is.